I just missed capturing a video or picture of a blue heron that was being chased by a little bird. This is my meditation spot, and so meaningful, so symbolic on the day out of time. Whereas just after the full moon, my whole reason to start doing Be the Expression storytelling circle for people to practice speaking, sharing their stories, experience strength and hope for other light workers. And how do people lean into love? And the reason that all started was I was taking a video of thunder, because thunder has been just so prevalent of the spring and now the summer of 2017. And little birds were chasing off a big bird. And then when I said, you know, that was a call, Rainbow Warrior call, the thunder beings were booming in the background. And so here it is again, and I'm taking the sacred pause. I actually came to look for the swans. And they are symbolic of living the beauty way. So there's the honk. See my okay, so living the beauty way, that's an important reiteration. And myself and 7 women have been walking a sacred way, dancing and singing our way in sacredness. And so today I'm doing a sacred pause, and tomorrow's the new year. And then I've been telling my story. So again, when we stand together, we stand united. That's the thing that the governments and big corporations fear the most, is our unity. And I'm giving back in service when I'm at my lowest financial point, but my highest spiritual point. And you know, in this, allowing myself to be in the pause. The bliss, the ecstasy, celebrating this beauty. And that's why I wanted to show you the swans, where I've been living. I've been landed softly. The goddesses brought me to such beauty. And yeah, so there's the blue heron. Gotta go look up that meaning. I think it's self-determination. And jack of all trades. That's been me, that's for sure. But the main message is fear not. We can chase away the big corporations, the governments. Like, come on, what kind of world do we live in? Our children. Magic and love is what I'm spreading. And I invite more people to awaken to the magic and our community. Big love.